Well, welcome to the backyard. Take a look over there. This, believe it or not, this was home plate for me as a kid. Right here. There was no catcher, so you had to throw the ball against the fence to get us out before we ran around in a circle. But this tree was iconic growing up. And now it's been rotting all these years. We never knew it. And it finally went down in a storm on the house. So Lumber Joe gets a phone call, and we're over here first thing in the morning. We'll get some more pictures on the inside. Let's go over here to the other side. But you can see that roof is pretty well mashed up in there. And I'm going to be going up there, so hopefully I don't fall through anything. But we're going to start here. We're going to clean up a lot of the weight on this side, and then we're going to go up onto the roof and try and remove as much as we can. I may about face in the middle of this and decide to come in here and take the heavy side off first. But we'll see as we go. Stay tuned. Look at this. Look at this. Just stand underneath. Like, this is the only thing holding this up. And that's the only good wood on the tree is on this back side. Okay, let's get to work.
Well, this is part of tree work. This is storm damage that we're going to take down.
It's one disadvantage to an electric saw is you let go of that trigger and you have to wait that half second to second for it to turn back on again. It's not like a gas. It makes this work kind of frustrating, but you're not sitting there with an idling saw the whole time. You don't have to carry the firewood out because I'll come up here with the tractor because it's going to be here for chipping anyway, and we're going to have a ton of firewood back here anyway, so I got to try and figure this out a little bit here. Over here. I'm just wondering if this one piece here is keeping it from rolling off the roof. I know the piece that's up at the tip is punched through, so it's going to be tough to roll that out of there. But in the event that it does have enough strength to roll out of there, it's going to tear the entire side of the roof off of the house because it's going to scoop in underneath and pry it up. That's why I'm trying to take off this side so that it doesn't roll this way. Okay, so then we got just the one main piece up there. That's the only counterbalance to this whole piece. Yeah, I don't think that's going to roll off. This is the weakest spot right here. Like, seriously, at any point, just this piece could let go. Does it split all the way down? Well, we got to keep working, otherwise we're not going to get anything done.
I forgot about that again.
Yeah, you just chuck it down there into a pile. Dave will do what he can, and when we're done, we'll go down and help him out. The reason we got all these sticks and leaves up here, when you step on that, you will lose your footing. So if you use the blower as much as you need. Yeah, that's why this is always fun up here. If we had a crane, this job would be done already. But you know what the insurance companies don't pay for? Cranes. Unless there just isn't another way. Okay, buddy, I'm relying on you here. You have to hold the branch and me. I'm not joking around. I can't. I gotta get that. Hey, Dave! I gotta go down there. I tell you, I'm bringing this to Micah. I was saying on the way down, Lancer, I said, big guys on ladders, it's usually catastrophic.
Do you want me up here or down there?
Oh, it's still up here because now we're going to brush it. So you're going to blow this quick and that. That's a cut you never want to do. What I just did. Why? Because when you hold it like this and you're cutting here, that chain can just boop, cut your finger. I know this because I've done this. Did it stop me? No. I tell you, Lancer, up here doing this, I'm getting real sick of that half-second delay on the trigger pull. Just pissing me off. Hey, that one was interesting. Oh, thank God. It's the daddy water. Here you go. See, right there. Good Lord, that little stick. Sorry. One more. That's a little better. I'm feeling like crap right now. Probably because I'm sweating too much.
Yeah.
About as gentle as we can be. Yeah, it's one thing to walk on this, and then it's another when you gotta put some force and pull on something and your feet just shoot out from underneath you. It's crazy. Crazy feeling. Headache! Alright, here we go. Cut bucket, here we go. Look at all of this came out so far. There you go. Nothing like a solid 6 feet of branch poking through your roof. Can you imagine if your bedroom were underneath that? Like, you could seriously get tickled in your sleep. I think I'm gonna leave that for now. In case it goes through, there's a Y on it to keep it from going all the way through. It's not much, but it could help. We're gonna do the green here. Then we take lunch and I go to a doctor's appointment. Oh, come on. Should have gone with electric. Right in the middle of a critical cut. Yep. Let me see if I can even reach that. Problem is this is the dangerous side. Ugh. I didn't get through, did I? Okay, we got the tail off of it. That's good. The one that's loose.
Okay.
Cut that, start that, and then we're gonna start taking this one. And then we have to start, once we're done with that, I'm gonna get this rigged up.
Okay. So can I drop these here onto the wood?
You gotta
Or
keep
no?
everything up there and pick it up by hand and chuck it onto the grass.
Okay.
What do you
Okay.
think?
The big part.
First one's the toughest.
Okay.
If you can roll it,
This one, I'm more concerned about this right now. Okay.
oh, it's not gonna slide down on you.
Okay. There we go.
There you go. Think you could get it out here?
I don't know. I'm gonna pull.
Oh, there goes my saw. Thanks.
What? Oh. I'm sorry, Joe.
Oh, damn it.
How bad did I mess up?
I don't know. Yeah. Chains off. You go, bruh. I forgot how wobbly these things got. Almost there, Joe. Almost there. So that other one up there, Lancer, that sticks up there, we need the same thing done. If you want to take 201, we'll drop it. But it'll speed things up. That's the last small gas saw that I have with me.
Right.
Unless you want to, did you bring your gas?
My little one, yeah.
Well, go get that. That'll speed it up.
Hear it?
It's coming down, isn't it?
You want some? Yeah, it's gonna pull that right out.
What?
It's gonna rip that off the side of the house. Pulling your eave out. I think it let go. I want you ready to run.
What you doing?
It's closing at the top. We gotta finish from the bottom. Hit some metal already. Probably hit a nail. Yeah, and the nail. So now I can cut.
You got another blade, Joe, or?
Oh, I got plenty. I just want this thing. It's closing important. Lancer?
Yeah.
So all that.
By far the worst one of these I've ever had to do. I'm gonna come up there with you, Lancer, because that's the last thing to do. Oh, wait, I gotta get the truck back here. Never mind. No, my mirror. We got it. Hi. Oh, jeez. Talk about not expecting that. Oh, God. Could have just jabbed me in the balls. Oh. Hit me. Perfect. Once it's free from the roof, it's going to start swinging this way. There's nothing to stop it once it does that until it hits that tree.
Yo, this started moving too.
Yeah, well, you know what we could do is we could start cutting stuff off the top and maybe that'll...
Your bar is good right there.
I can see that too, but... Can I use your orange one? I'm gonna double chain on it.
Oh, it's okay. On this one, I already hit a couple singles today, so I'm glad I didn't change it before
We started this. Everybody knows rocks are bad for a chain, but apparently shingles are really bad for a chain also, because by the time we were done with this job, all the chainsaws that were up on the roof were like using a butter knife to cut with.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna hit all that wood. All right. Now the fun part.
I thought you were having fun already.
So we've got it rigged up here.
So I'll answer for sure right here. As we pull, because we're at an angle, it's gonna pull both up and sideways at the same time. Get a shot of it. It's gonna scrape shingles off of the roof.
But on the
But
area that's already
But
been
it's on the area
damaged.
that's already damaged. We got a blue rope over here on the base to make sure that it doesn't swing into the fence. And then there'll be somebody on that holding that end on the quarter wrap. I'll have you on that.
Okay.
And then it's gonna swing over and bop the tree.
Yeah.
I said it's gonna have this tree removed anyway. By my guess, we're gonna be lifting about 2,000 to 3,000 pounds off of the roof right there and swinging it into this tree. So
At this point, I owe you, as the viewer, an apology. I missed the drop. It went just like we said it was going to, but I wasn't there. I set up my cameras to record, something went wrong, but I had to run and get my kids. But I'm sorry, I'll do better. pretty clear that this one didn't go quite as we had planned it. It took longer, but having it completely buried into the house was definitely a big part of the problem. So we got it done though.